Well, this is our very advanced technology, zirconia block. This is a 3D Pro multi-layer. This layer, zirconia has a very extraordinary advantage. Like this is a natural gradient without demarcations, and here is, and the lower incisor strength not to hurt the natural incisor part. Means the incisor part cannot hurt the natural teeth. And anti-aging. When incisor age translucence has been maximized to 49%, is 42 to 49%, and 650 to 1,100 MPa. It can support all the Vita 16 shades, and it can support all the, like the crown, 3-unit bridge, 4-unit bridge, and 4 arch. Here we can show you the case. This is the interior 3-unit bridge, not glazed. Very natural and gradient. Posterior crown. After glazed. Posterior crown after glazed. And this is the 4 arch case. This is a veneer, anterior veneer. This 3-unit bridge, here is a 3. This one is not glazed. This glazed.